You're
All
on.
right. Hey guys, I am here with Ayman, and we're in Ismail's and Ayman's. They co-own this equipment shop, and I first met Ayman about a year ago when we did the first phase of the project, and he's a really amazing guy, and I want you guys to meet him because he's helped us out a lot. So tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do in Jordan?
Well, now I have a company for gym use equipment, and usually I don't work in this kind of tools, but I know them as a friend. So that's why I brought you to his job, because really he's the best one in Jordan in this, have the best price.
Yeah.
About myself, I used to be a national team volleyball. Then I used to be, after that, a personal trainer, fitness personal trainer. Now I have my own company, working all over Jordan, Turkey, Egypt, Saudi Arabia.
Okay. All right. And my understanding is you set up gyms, right?
Yes.
You help them bring the equipment in and sell the equipment to them,
Yes,
right?
that's
Okay.
right.
All right.
And I go to the States to buy second-hand equipment.
Okay. The other thing that he will never tell you is he is an incredibly generous person, and a lot of people don't know this, but Jordanians are some of the most generous people I know. And Ayman, just as an example, when I first came, I had no idea how I was going to get the sports equipment to the schools, and these schools are all over the place. And Ayman actually offered to deliver the kits for us to the schools free. So that just tells you a little bit about his big heart. The other thing that I want to say too is Ismail actually stretched. He really gave us a great deal because he thinks what we're doing is pretty cool too, to help poor kids. And we were able. Our initial goal was to get sports kits for 20 schools, and we just stretched it out, and we got these awesome kits. And we're actually going to be giving kits to 22 schools, so I'm super excited about that. Mission accomplished. Thank you, sir.
Thank you too.
All right.
Thank you.